In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Analytics with Google Sites. By the end, you'll have your site sending data to a Google Analytics 4 property so you can see who visits, which pages they view, and how they interact. We'll create a GA4 property to get a measurement ID, connect it inside Google Sites, and publish the changes. First, open Google Analytics in your browser and sign in. In the lower left corner, click the admin gear. Create a new property if you don't already have one for this site, making sure it's GA4. After the property is created, open Data Streams and choose Web. Select your website's data stream. On the Stream Details panel, look for the measurement ID at the top. It starts with G. Click the copy icon or highlight and copy that ID. This ID is the key that lets Google Sites send page view and event data to your analytics property. Next, switch to Google Sites and open the site you want to track in edit mode. In the top right corner, click the Settings gear. Choose Analytics. In the field provided, paste the measurement ID you just copied. Make sure the tracking option is turned on, so Google Sites actually sends data to analytics. When you're finished, confirm or close the dialog to save the change. To make tracking live for visitors, publish your site. Click the Publish button in the top right. If this is your first time publishing, you may be prompted to choose a web address and confirm who can view the site. Enter the details you prefer, review the visibility, and then click Publish again. If your site was already live, republishing ensures the new analytics setting is included. To confirm it's working, head back to Google Analytics and open the real-time report, then visit your site in a new tab. You should see your activity appear within a minute. Keep in mind that ad blockers, caching, or permission settings can delay data, and full reports can take up to 24 hours to populate. That's it. You've linked Google Analytics to Google Sites, copied in your measurement ID, enabled tracking, and published the changes so you can start measuring what matters.